Now, when this particular sunscreen came out, you guys hated it. You guys were like, "Maitrayee, how can you recommend such a sunscreen? It's such a bad formulated sunscreen. It didn't suited me." I was confused because I really like this sunscreen. For many of you guys, it felt so bad, and finally they heard all of you guys and came up with this particular sunscreen. In this video, I'm going to be talking about this Invisible Sunscreen and also the Salicylic Acid plus LHA body wash as well. So if you want to know my thoughts on them, then stay tuned. If you talk about the ingredient list seems to be really similar, but they did twerk the overall formulation and the overall packaging. Now this one came in pump packaging, but the pump was really bad. It just goes down and you have to really struggle to bring out the product. And the new one is simple, straightforward tube packaging, and if you see them in the first go, the new one seems to be a little bit thick and the older one seems to be a little bit thin. Older one gave nice dewy oily finish, some people would describe it as, but the newer one has more of a matte to like soft matte blurry finish. This would go really well under makeup. Previous formulation one, you do had to blend it a little bit just to make it less oily or less dewy, but the newer one blends seamlessly, doesn't have any kind of slippery or oily finish, and I am in love with the newest formulation. Both of them are exactly similar apart from the pricing. This one used to cost 699 rupees, but the newer one, they have lowered down the cost to 499 rupees, which is really nice, convenient, economical, and I would highly prefer this one. Great for oily to combo skin. Even dry skin people would enjoy this in the summer months. Comes with the broad spectrum protection, SPF 40 and PA rating of 3+, has the goodness of tomato fruit extract, squalane, jojoba seed oil, and if you talk about the filters, it has 5 total filters, which include octreotylene, avobenzone, homosalid, luminol A+, and lastly ethyl hexyl salicylate. Now the ingredient list and the overall protection is really nice. If you talk about my experience in using this, I would prefer the new one. Let me know your thoughts if the new one did build on you, because I have tried it with a lot of different moisturizer. Even the old one, I have tried it with the most thickest moisturizer I had, but it didn't build at all. Last but not the least for this video, I have the Salicylic Acid plus LHA 2% body wash. This one came out new. I only tried it for a week. The only con is, however, again, the fragrance. This is a fragrance free formula, but I truly enjoy this particular body wash, even though it is not fragrance. This one has niacinamide, peach and glycerin, super hydrating body wash, even though it is a salicylic acid body wash. And the inclusion of LHA makes this particular product really gentle on your skin. If you have back acne, if you have acne all over, if you have keratosis pilaris, this is a great product because BHAs are keratolytic agents that are really great for keratosis pilaris. And apart from that, the surfactant it uses is really mild and gentle, even for your flared up acne and keratosis pilaris skin, which I have used personally on my flared up KP skin, and it soothed my skin completely. If you talk about the pricing, it only costs 349 rupees for 200 ml, very comparable to other normal like fragrance body washes, affordable body washes out there. And I believe everyone should include a salicylic acid or a exfoliating body washes in their routine in order to help you achieve a smoother looking skin, because exfoliation and moisturization is the key to smooth skin. So hey guys, this would be the end of the series and my video on the Invisible Sunscreen and the Salicylic plus LHA body wash from Minimalist. Let me know yours in the comment box below. Like this video if you like my content, share this video to any of your friends, and lastly, subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell notification, and I will see you in the next one. So bye bye and take care.